Every CA asks this question. I can apply abroad, but will I actually get the visa? Some people say it's very easy and some people say it's impossible. In this video, I'll explain you the real truth about the visa, the work permit, the jobs in abroad in 2026. Which countries are realistic? How countries are going to sponsor your visa? Your common myths and what should you prepare before applying to the visa? Visa reality check of 2000. Hello everyone, I'm Preeti Nagi. I'm mentor for the CA students, professionals for global career, big opportunities and their career path. Today I'm breaking down the visa and the work permit reality honestly, practically, without any false statement and promise. Let me tell you a one fundamental truth. You do not apply for the visa first. Actually, I'm saying it's true one. You do not apply for the visa first. You apply for the job first. Once you get selected, the employer sponsors your work permit. Okay. If anyone tells you pay money and get the visa work done, this is a scam. Because once you apply for the job, you crack the interview, and then your employer sponsors your visa permits. Nobody is there who gonna pay and get the visa permit. That's nothing happens. Nothing at all. This is totally scam. Clear about it. The companies are going to sponsor your visa. Now, what's your step? Who can sponsor your work visa? Who all can sponsor your work visa? First one, only these communities, only these people, only these employers can sponsor your visa. Who all are? One, the big four firms. Already they are registered in a big four, they are registered in a broad industry, so they can sponsor your visa. Okay. The second one is MNCs that are registered abroad, they can sponsor your visa. Third one, all the registered companies that are registered abroad, they can sponsor your visa. Okay. Who all cannot sponsor your visa and they are already doing scam? That means falsely they're just demanding money. Okay. The first one is any agent demanding money for giving you the work permit for visa. False. Please, completely false. Second is consultancy promises, right? The companies are like, I'll demand you, right? That means completely this is false. Third one is self applications without any kind of employment. This is also false, completely a scam. Visa sponsorships demands only on your skills, experience and role. There is nothing like that. मैं पैसे दूंगी और मुझे वीजा मिल जाएगा, वर्क परमिट मिल जाएगा. I can say that. This is completely wrong. Please come on. Now, if you're aiming for, because I got many of the queries like I want to go for Abu Dhabi, want to go for Dubai, United States, right? So if you want to go for United States, if you want to go for UAE, is the easiest and fastest option for any kind of a Indian, any Indian. UAE, Dubai is a very easiest option and very fastest option. I can say that. Employer sponsors your work permit. Obviously, as I said, you need not to apply it. No separate CL license required for many roles. Okay, that means you don't need to get some separate license to work over it. So that is a very completely easy one. Usually the process take 2 to 6 weeks. That means approximately 1 month or 1.5 month process will be completed. That is why many professionals start their abroad journey from UAE because it's the simplest process and easiest process, and I can say that the fastest process. First, employment passes. Okay, they offer you employment passes. Employer applies on your behalf. Obviously, in this case also, employer applies on your behalf. Strong preference for the skilled professionals. Okay, they have a strong preference. Only skilled professionals will be there. Okay, competitive है, but this is quite a much transparent process. Good audit, analytical skills, advisory roles have high chances of being selection in Singapore. One is United Kingdom. Okay, that means UK. हम UK जाएंगे. UK follows the skilled visa worker process. Okay, that means employer must be licensed to sponsor. The salary threshold limit also applies over here. Documentation process is huge, it's very heavy, and the process takes very much time. But once it approves, the UK offers excellent long term growth. But yes, difficult to crack, but growth is completely real. But it's very difficult to crack. But if you have that skill, if you have that knowledge, if you have that work experience, then definitely. Okay, work permit possible via employer sponsorship. It is completely possible. PR orientation immigration system is also possible in Canada, जो किसी भी country में नहीं possible है. It's slower process. It might takes 3 months, 4 months, 5 months. It's a slower process, but it's a stable process. Many professionals firstly work, then apply for the permanent residency. That means firstly they get work permit, then they get PR. Firstly, that is matlab, that doesn't mean you need to get PR firstly and work permit along. Firstly, you can work over there and then you will get PR. That's a completely systematic and easiest process. Australia requires some completely professional skills. Sometimes additional certification is also required when you're going for Australia, when you're aiming for Australia. Visa process is completely much longer than the other countries, but career stability is much stronger as compared to the other countries also. So that means जितनी efforts ज़्यादा लगेंगी उतनी stability भी मिलेगी as compared to the Singapore. Both countries have lengthy process, but they have more stability as compared to other countries. You need foreign citizenship to go abroad. No, please, completely no. आपका वीजा परमिट आपके एम्प्लॉयर अप्लाई करेगा, मिल जाएगा तो आप जा सकते. Only locals get hired to the MNCs, or I can say that foreign companies. Again, no, completely no. Third one is pay to an agent and get your visa. Again, that's not possible. That's related to the work permit. Work permit given by the employer only. Only the registered companies can provide so. Not anyone can do so. CAs are not in demand in abroad. Reason being is your qualification is not valid over there. That is completely a myth. CAs are relevant. CAs are being demanded in abroad. And Indian CAs are respectfully globally, I can say that. Their skill matters a lot, not only the nationality, their skill matters a lot. And once a CA, it's always a CA. You have that skills, you will be able to practice. Chances when you are getting a high chances to get the visa done. Okay, visa approval, when you must have some skills that is in demand. You must have the skills that is much required by the foreign countries. So if nowadays the demand is of the artificial intelligence, so let's combine artificial intelligence and finance and then proceed further. Many chartered accountants are even getting the work from home opportunities if they have the skills related to artificial intelligence. So that means you must have in demand skills. You must have some relevant experience that is being demanded by the company according to the job description. Your big four MNC brand might work also over here because it's easiest for the people who are working in India in big four. They can go for apply for big four abroad also, globally also. Clear documentation process and genuine employer sponsorship. If you're able to get it, then obviously you will be able to get it. No shortcuts, no shortcuts at all. Only the preparation will help you to get it there. Because आपको यहाँ पे पैसा नहीं चाहिए, आपको यहाँ पे knowledge चाहिए. If you have the knowledge, you will definitely be able to crack it. So all of it, yes, getting a visa abroad for the jobs in 2026 is a realistic way. It's a reality, but only when it's done it right. So again, which country you are targeting. You are targeting UAE, UK, Canada, Singapore, Australia. I'll share the country wise specific visa guidance with you. So till now, let's prepare for your journey. मुझे कहाँ जाना है, कौन सी country जाना है, कौन सी domain में जाना है, so that I will be able to help you wisely. Drop down your comment in a comment box ताकि मैं आपकी ज़्यादा से ज़्यादा help कर सकूं, because most of the time what happens is हमें क्लैरिटी नहीं होती है एंड यू कीप वाचिंग द वीडियोस ड्रॉप योर कमेंट इन कमेंट बॉक्स आपको कौन सी कंट्री जाना है एंड देन आई विल बी देयर टू हेल्प यू स्पेसिफिकली फॉर दैट कंट्री टिल नाउ टिल देन लेट्स बिल्ड योर करियर इन द राइट वे आई एम ऑलवेज देयर फॉर थैंक यू सो मच एंड